Hi.
So just
Hi. Introduce yourself.
Okay.
introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Kenneth. I go by Kenny.
I'm Afik.
I'm Kevin.
And I'm Naim.
We have two more people who are missing from our band. They were not able to make it today.
Actually, it's 10, right?
Well, we don't know the right number, but Kenny, who is our keyboardist,
Yeah.
and Kenny Kang, who is our keyboardist, and Awal Fikri, who is our electric guitarist.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kevin's our drummer, Naim is our bassist, and the two of us are the
Singers.
singers. So Afik and I, half an hour before the audition, decided that we were going to do it. Well,
Yeah, really.
we didn't really get much of practice, so we went there, auditioned, and after we auditioned and got in, we were like, okay, we need to have a good performance. So, like, we looked up our friends who can play music really well, and we just invited them to join us. So I invited Kevin to join us because he's a really great drummer. He plays drums for St. Tom's in Mass, and he's really awesome. Naim plays the bass, and he's performed.
Battle of the Band.
Yeah, in the
with
Battle of the
Afiq.
Bands. Yeah. So these two have performed together in Battle of the Bands. The dream is for us to kind of come together, play music, have fun, but also at the same
Spread
time
culture.
spread like what Malaysian music, Malaysian culture is all about.
Yeah.
Promote diversity because our band is really diverse. We have a Korean,
Mhm.
we have an American, we have all kinds of people.
Yeah.
I'm Malay, he's Malay, he's Chinese.
My dad is Chinese and my mom is Indian, so like I'm a mix.
So, Chai, yeah.
Oh.
Chindian.
Chindian. Oh.
Yeah, that's what we call it.